You know, I was thinking about this the other day, and Velcro shoes, they're actually a rip-off. Get it?
Perfect.
Hello there, broskies. Irk the Turk Hassan back here with another, yes, another Air Max Sneaker 2 review. And it is my favourite silhouette of all time, so I just had to do it. On today's episode, we are reviewing the Nike Air Max 90 in all white. Now, if you haven't guessed already from the B-roll shots, this pair isn't actually mine. For this colorway, I couldn't actually get my size, so in the end, I just got my missus a pair. So of course, the B-roll shots is her, so don't think my feet are shrunk or anything like that. Now, I will leave some links down below as well, so as soon as the restocks happen, they will hopefully be there. Nike normally restock when the weather gets a little warmer, so fingers and toes crossed, that's what they do. So the Air Max 90, where do I start? The Air Max that made me fall in love. It wasn't my first Air Max, but it was the one that sparked it all. And the infrared Air Max 90 for me is the greatest shoe ever made. I really don't care what anyone else has to say. To be honest, I just love everything about it. The colorway, how they feel, and of course how you can style them. But of course, this is all about the triple white colorway. And this is a very popular one, especially for the summer. A crisp white tee, some grey shorts, maybe some white socks even. And these bad boys on those What's It toes. For me, there aren't that many triple white Air Maxes out there that look better than this. But let's take a look at the box, and I know you've already seen it, but it's just a formality. Now of course, the box it comes in is your GR red and white Nike box. So nothing too exciting there, but on the product sticker, it does say Air Max 90, and the official colorway is white, white, and wolf grey. Now I am currently working on an all-white top 10 Nike sneakers list, and of course this is defo making that one. I'm not quite sure yet where these do rank, but they are defo up there. But with all that said, let's talk a little bit about the sizing. Now I know technically I can't really have my 2 pence on the sizing with this particular pair, but according to my missus, these are a true to size fit. In my personal experience with the Air Max 90s in the men's sizing, they are a true to size for me as well. So whatever sizing I do get with the 90s, I go with the Dunks, the Jordan 1s, the Air Max 95s, the Air Max 1s, and so on. So short story long, these are a true to size. Now let's see whether this Air Max 90 might just be for you. Let's take an even closer look. Now the beauty in the Air Max 90 is in its simplicity, and this one just shows why less is more sometimes. The overlays are of course in this leather, and the underlays are in this mesh. So breathability won't be that much of an issue for the summer days. We've got the symmetrical look to the Air Max panels on that TPU material, and the same with the Nike swoosh on both the lateral and medial sides. The only thing I can say straight away is the mesh panels might be a bit tricky to keep clean. So just be a little bit careful with those panels more so than anything. Now the lacing is very traditional to the Air Max 90 setup here. Of course we've got the eye stays on those TPU panels again. And these do come with flat white laces. Now the tongue mostly is on this nylon material, and just on top of it is the Nike Air Max branding in that white patch. Now we've got this ankle collar in this soft cotton feel, and on the insole, it's in white again with the Nike grey Air Max branding there too. Now the heel counter. This for me is one of the standout parts of any Air Max 90. It is of course the Nike Air branding on that TPU panel. Now the mudguards are in the same material as the other overlays. And to be fair, it does blend in well. On some Air Max 90s they use different materials, so it does change it up here. Some might say it's a little too plain, but for me, it's just nice and simple. Now the midsole of course is in all white, and even the air unit is in white as well. Now the outsole to the Air Max 90, of course this is so iconic. It's got that waffle design that we do know and love in this all white finish. In the words of Jay-Z, less is more. And this is exactly what the Air Max 90 does need. I feel like some sneakers in all white just ruin it with hints of grey or even a light blue. But just like Walkers, these are crisp. But broskies, we've come to that part of the video where I do have to decide whether these are a buy or a buy. Now I know we are spoilt for choice when it comes to all white sneakers, whether it is from Nike or other brands as well. And just like a gangbang, there is some stiff competition. But as an Air Max 90 fanboy, I cannot fault this sneaker at all. Yes, the mesh panels might need some more attention, but that's the only thing I can really say. These will go with so many different outfits, especially it being an Air Max 90. And the simplicity to the materials used, and of course the colorway, you can't really say no. And of course the only downside is maybe trying to get your hands on a pair. But let's hope there are some restocks closer to when it gets warm. Overall broskies, there aren't many sneakers that can beat this in all whites. I am indeed going to give the Air Max 90 triple whites an absolute buy. But leave it down below what your thoughts are on the Air Max 90 in triple whites. Is this a summer essential, or do you have a Nike sneaker in all white that you prefer? Leave it all down below and I will be pinning the best one. Anyways, my broskies, thank you for watching, thank you for stopping by, and don't forget to hit me up on the IG as well, because I am most active over there. And don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share, and till the next episode, see you later, alligator.